Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to share 3 smart Excel tricks that'll save you time every single day. Whether you're managing data, creating reports, or just organizing your life, these tips will make Excel your best friend. Stick around to the end. I've got a bonus tip you won't want to miss. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. First, why bother with Excel tricks? Because they save you hours. I used to spend way too long on repetitive tasks, sorting data, formatting, you name it. But with a few smart techniques, you can cut that time in half and focus on what matters. Today, I'll show you 3 tricks I use daily, with examples you can try right now. Trick 1. Conditional formatting to spot trends fast. Let's say you're tracking monthly expenses and you want to highlight anything over $100 to see where you're overspending. Select the cost column, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cells Rules, and choose Greater Than. Type 100, pick a red fill, and hit OK. Boom! Lunch gets highlighted instantly. I use this daily to flag outliers, like late payments or high costs. You can also use it for color scales or data bars to visualize trends. Try it with your own data. Trick 2. Text to columns to split data without formulas. Say you've got a list of full names like John Smith, and you need first and last names in separate columns. Select the column, go to the Data tab, and click Text to Columns. Choose Delimited, hit Next, check Space as the delimiter, then Finish. Done. First and last names are now split. I use this every day for things like splitting addresses or product codes. It works with commas, tabs, any delimiter, so much faster than manual copying. Trick 3. Freeze panes to keep your headers visible. If you're working with a big list, like 100 rows of expenses, you don't want to lose track of your column headers. Scroll down and the headers disappear. Not good. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes and select Freeze Top Row. Now, as you scroll, the headers stay put. Scroll down and the headers disappear. Not good. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes and select Freeze Top Row. Now, as you scroll, the headers stay put. Here's a bonus tip. Keyboard shortcuts. 2 shortcuts I use daily. Tip 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-L to toggle filters. Great for sorting data fast. Let me show you. Select B1 to C4, then press Ctrl-Shift-L to toggle filters. Great for sorting data fast. Sort your data according to the filters. These shortcuts shave seconds off every task, and those seconds add up. What's your favorite shortcut? Drop it in the comments. Tip 2. Select the range B2 to D13. Press Ctrl-T, show the table formatting. Let me show you. Select the range B2 to D13. Press Ctrl-T, show the table formatting. The shortcut turn a range into a table for easy formatting. These shortcuts shave seconds off every task, and those seconds add up. What's your favorite shortcut? Drop it in the comments. These are the basic shortcuts to try out. Find the downloadable in the link below. That's it. You've got 3 smart Excel tricks to use every day. Conditional formatting for insights, text to columns for splitting data, and freeze panes to stay organized, plus those bonus shortcuts. Which trick will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe,